Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to sort alphabetically and numerically in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. As you can see on your screen, we are currently looking at the top 20 most common names for males and females. So, to apply the sort function, we need to try to sort the male names alphabetically and the female names numerically from largest to smallest. Let's try to sort the male names first. First, let's select the whole table, including the header. Second, right-click and go to Sort from A to Z. Once you click that, you will now sort the data alphabetically. As you can see, Andrew comes first, then Anthony, followed by the C's, the D's, then J, M, P, R, S, T, and lastly W. Now that we've sorted the male names, let's go ahead and sort the female names by number. To do that, let's select the female name data, including the header. Right-click, go to Sort, and go to Custom Sort. Once you're in it, go ahead and click the Sort By in the column section. Click on Number, leave the Sort on Cell Values as default, and change the order from largest to smallest. Now, we have ranked the names of females by the number of females having the most common name on top down to the least common. And there we have it. This is how we sort alphabetically and numerically in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.